All right there, Keith. This is Brian at Truck CB Sales here. We got a repair report for you on this 99 N4. Your note stated that it blows the fuse as soon as you hook it up. Well, that is your reverse polarity diode. You hooked it up backwards, or you touched hot to ground, or something along them natures. That's the only thing that will blow that. Luckily, this did its job and saved the rest of the radio. Okay, it's 100% good to go. Let me just show you here. I'll just roll the RF power wide open. Hello, 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 hello. 500 watts in the corner. Oh, 225 bird. Go over here to the 1,000 watt scale. Hello, 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 hello. 600 watts. So it's doing its thing. The other thing you mentioned, you said with the amp off you had low SWR, with the amp on you had high SWR. I just want to show you that it's nothing to do with the radio. 25 watt slug in reverse with 600 out. Hello, 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 hello. You have no reflect, like an eighth of a watt, I think. Let me take that out. Let's put the 5 watt slug in. This reads reflect, which is, you know, layman's terms for SWR, or vice versa. Hello, 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 hello. A tenth of a watt. So there's nothing wrong with the radio. If you're experiencing high SWR when you turn the amp on, you need to look at your antenna system. You know, coax, grounding, antenna location. Some trucks work better with a skip shooter, some work better with a 10K Predator, but this guy right here, reverse polarity protection diode, was your culprit. We're getting ready to send this back, and I'll send you over an invoice, but please make sure you don't have any issues with reverse polarity. If you need to, hop on Amazon, get you a $10 voltmeter, hook the hot to the positive side of the quick disconnect before you hook it to the radio, and the negative to the negative side, and make sure you're seeing positive voltage, and flip it over to continuity. Even there should be no continuity between the hot and the ground. All right, Keith, we'll get her back to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.